all the international film festival in Cairo were cancelled because of the political movement, and nobody decided to take this risk to make a festival.
It's very important to support women filmmakers because we do need support.
The Unseen Film Festival supported us to give fund to our festival this year from the Diputación Foral de Vizcaya.
I would like to see more films, especially the mainstream films that coming out from Hollywood and made by women. There is very few women filmmakers that makes films, and I think this is a problem, and maybe that's why many films talks about killing and violence.